Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me in the comment section below.
You, get out! Get the fuck out of here! All of you, come here. You, get out! Roll! Shit!
Oh, Naruto, I like that. Listen. Fuck up. Get out. Idiot.
Bomb has been defused.
What the fuck? Nice troll.
Magic, suka.
No timing.
Bomb has been defused.
Nani?
Defuse on the thing.
Nani?
يا غبي يا اخي ليش هذه ما عندك؟ شو الحمير؟ I'm done. Standing here with a bunch of idiots. Fuck you all. Good luck.
This is like fun.
Yeah.
He's the super.
Bomb has been defused.
What the fuck?
Oh, that was a good prank. God damn, that was a prank.
Yes.
While Robert tries again on the John Dory, Chef Ramsay is counting on Giovanni on the meat station to get out the first entree of the night.
Your special has now become...
Just do it, you fucking pussy!
This is wrong!
Oh my god.
This is wrong!
Not again, damn it. This can't be happening. Come on, Ray.
It's just...
Get three more going.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Come on, man.
I just need a
This is the lamb.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe because we upload new countdowns every Tuesday and Saturday. Or if you're still not convinced, here are some of our other videos that I think you'd like. Enjoy! Number 15.